Hi, my name is Stuart Caldwell with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today we're going to take a look at our Crest Caliber 230 tri-tune. This particular tri-tune has the black metal finish with the gray interior. You'll notice on this particular boat that you do have the in-floor storage. You also have plenty of storage underneath the seats. These seats are easily accessible, just to simply push down and you're now ready to relax and lounge. You also have movable cup holders so that you can adjust wherever you might need to have your favorite beverage. This particular helm also has the Fusion stereo and a Simrad system. Simrad system is there for GPS and chart plotting. You also have a changing station. This particular unit also has two captain's chairs with high back seats. Towards the back you will find additional storage. Again, easily accessible. This particular boat also has a dual battery switch to make sure that you have plenty of battery for your trip on the lake. Finally, you'll notice behind us we have the tower as well as the bimini top. Finally, on this particular model we have a Mercury 250 engine along with the swim ladder and the ski tow bar. Again, my name is Stuart Caldwell with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway. Be sure to come by and check out our Crest pontoons.